baby brother.
He's not in here anymore. He's out. Look, Amy has him.
Baby brother.
Do you want to meet him?
I will be gentle. Okay.
Very gentle, gentle, gentle.
I'm being gentle with the baby.
Yeah, you are.
Look, I'm being gentle. Yeah, that's my baby brother. Did he come out?
He came out.
You want to take off your backpack?
He did.
No. I don't want it.
Gentle, gentle, gentle.
Soft touches.
Gentle on his eye.
He got soft touches.
Did he come out?
He came out. Yes, he did.
Did he come out?
Yeah, he came
Mommy,
out.
you're back.
I'm back. I'm right here.
You at the doctor?
Yeah, I'm at the doctor.
Oh.
Do you want to come sit with me?
No, I don't want to check the doctor.
Do you want to hold the baby?
Yeah.
You want to come sit over here with Mommy and hold the baby?
Yeah.
Wait. Just take off your backpack and go sit with Mom.
Go sit with Mommy and I'll bring your baby brother to you.
I don't
Go sit right up here.
You want to sit right here with me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What happened, Mommy, to Band-Aid?
Your baby brother was born yesterday.
What happened to your Band-Aid?
I had a needle right here, but it's okay. They took it out. Now I'll just have a little Band-Aid left. Okay,
There's a scratch.
a little bit.